La Pynsangeh no Shwa ya kecing pentre ya ka roadway cable car project ha Shillong Peak Hadien balasha Ujor da ka public interest litigation lani PIL hakmat yeng kashri Mekhalia High Court halor kecing pom ya kiding ha ka thain Lao Soton East KHASI Hills ka state committee kala ajing tip bakala dan kecing pom dieng ka basher khay ha ka cloud right laban reserve forest na ka daw kecing pentre ya kani ka project Menteri Bakmi ya katanat gi kam singok kai uba polling do ulaong ba ka sarkar kala deb yo lut ya baro gi jing dan kam kenthop ya gi jing bed ban pom ya kidieng na katanat environment katanat forest but climate change ula ban rabru ba ansa thung dieng biang hakani ka chaka Hadien bala pendep ya kani ka project kayeng kashri hakini gi khendet sngi kan sabishar ya kani ka mukadduma.
In the case of trees being cut, this came as part of the clearance that was sought from the ministry and which we had obtained before actually starting work on the ground. So we have already briefed the High Court about this clearance which we had obtained from the Ministry of Social Forestry, Forest and Environment, and whatever we have done so far have been totally in compliance with all existing laws and regulations.
Kamikalia Education Recruitment Board lani